Imagine this. You could start attracting your dream life in less time than it takes to brush your teeth. Just 17 seconds. That's all it takes. I am going to show you exactly how to use this 17-second hack to manifest instantly. And I will share a true story about someone who used it to attract $5,000 in a single week. But don't skip, because if you miss the one thing I will tell you at the end, this won't work for you. Hey beautiful souls, welcome back to Awakened Grid, your home for manifestation, mindset and magnetic living. If you are new, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell, because every week I share techniques that actually work. And if you are already part of the family, you know the drill. Like this video right now to send out good vibes and tell the YouTube universe this content matters. By the way, there's a reason it's exactly 17 seconds and not 15 or 20. And it's backed by something your brain doesn't want you even knowing. I will explain that in just a minute. Here's the rule in simple words. If you can hold a thought purely without distraction or doubt for just 17 seconds, you spark the law of attraction into action. It comes from teachings of Abraham Hicks. They explain that at 17 seconds, your thought starts to gain momentum. At 68 seconds, you have built enough energy to attract similar experience into your reality. Think of it like starting a car. The first turn of the key is the 17 seconds, and the engine roaring to life at 68 seconds is when manifestation becomes inevitable. The problem: most people never even start the car. Their mind wanders after 3 seconds. Let's be honest. When the last time you focused on anything without your phone buzzing? Okay, so why 17? Here's where it gets fascinating. In neuroscience, there's something called reticular activating system, your brain's filter. Whatever you focus on, it tells your brain, okay, this is important, let's find more of it. Spiritually speaking, at around 17 seconds, your vibration starts syncing with the frequency of your desire. It's like turning the radio dial. Before 17 seconds, there's static. After 70 seconds, the music is crystal clear. So you are not just thinking happy thoughts, you're actually turning your mental and emotional state to a different reality. A quick challenge: comment below with the first thing that comes to your mind right now that you would love to manifest. Don't overthink it, your instinct is usually the most powerful. And in just a bit, I will share the secret twist that makes this 10 times powerful and 90% of people never do it. Step 1. Pick one clear desire. Be specific. Not I want to be rich, but I want 10,000 extra in my account. Step 2. Visualize it like it's happening now. Close your eyes. Feel the emotion. See the colors. Hear the sounds. If it's money, imagine the weight of cash in your hand. If it's love, picture that smile. Step 3. Hold it for exactly 17 seconds. You can set a timer at first. The goal is zero distraction. Step 4. Ride it to 68 seconds if you can. After the first 17, your brain's momentum make it easier to keep going. This is where the energy really locks in. Pro tip: do it right after waking up or before sleeping. Your brain is in more suggestible, powerful state. And yes, you will feel a little weird at first, like why am I sitting here daydreaming? But trust me, it's the most productive 17 seconds of your day. I had a friend who wanted $5,000 to cover unexpected bills. Every morning for a week, she did the 17-second focus, imagining the bank alert, the relief, the smile. On the 8th day, a client who had paid her in months sent the exact amount. And for me, I used this method before my channel hit 50,000 subscribers. I would see the number, feel the excitement, and imagine making this exact video for you. Months later, here we are. But here's the thing. Without this one habit I am about to tell you, the 17-second rule can actually backfire. Here's what not to do. Multitasking. If you're on your phone, it's not pure focus. Sneak it out. Even tiny buds cancel the signal. Jumping desires too soon. Give each desire a few days to build momentum. And the habit I teased, gratitude immediately after once you 17 seconds are up. Spend a few seconds saying thank you as if it's already yours. This lock-in feeling and tells your subconscious we already have it. So here's your challenge for the next 7 days. Choose one desire and give it 17 seconds every single day. And gratitude after, and come back to this video to tell me what happened. If you got value from this, like the video so YouTube share it with more people. Share it with that one friend who's into manifestation. You might change their life. And of course, subscribe with the bell on for more techniques that actually work. Remember, your dream life isn't far. It's just 17 seconds away. Start right now.